Hey guys, Beardicus here, the One Take Wonder. In this video I'm going to be looking at unboxing the G.Skill Trident Z Royal. I did get it right, sweet! Awesome, so this is a 16GB kit to 8GB sticks, and it is at 3600Mhz. So the timings are, let me just see here, 16, 16, 16 and 36 at 1.35 volts. So, whoa, look at this. You get a Trident Z Royal little microfiber cloth there. How sweet is that? Oh, damn. Look at that bling. Far out. I'm going to put my fingerprints all over it. Oh, damn. That looks amazing. So these were manufactured in 2019 in May. So that's really, really, really soon. Sorry, shiny things. I'm getting caught up in it. Oh, look at that. Wow. Again, shiny things. Sorry guys, one take. Yeah. Oh, that is really, really nice. What else do you get in the box? You get a little sticker there. How cute's that? To say that you've got G.Skill on board. It's nice. And I think that's it. Let me just destroy the packaging. No, not really. No, there's nothing else underneath. So yeah, that is a really, really quick unboxing of the Trident Z Royal 16GB kit of 3600Mhz RAM. And I really can't get over how shiny that is. Actually, you can probably see look at that, you can see the camera. There's my recorder on top, the H4n Pro. Then we've got the monitor on top so I can see what I'm doing. Then there's the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. Sweet, and it's on a little stand there. Wow, that's shiny. That honestly, that's gotta, yeah, bring some nice bling to any case. This is going to appear in a build on the TechWizTime channel very, very shortly. Make sure you subscribe to that channel. There is a link down in the description below. I will be featuring it in an MSI build. So there'll be an MSI case, MSI monitor, motherboard, the G.Skill Trident Z Royal memory, which is going to look amazing in it. So yeah, make sure you subscribe over on the TechWizTime channel because I will have that up in about a week or two. If you hit that bell notification icon too, you should hopefully, if YouTube's doing their job, notify you of when this video comes out. So yeah, like I said, with any luck, it'll be about a week, maybe a bit more. So yeah, make sure you subscribe. If you're enjoying these unboxings and my off the beat personality, then make sure you subscribe to this channel here because I'm always going to be doing unboxings of stuff that I get through just to show you what's inside. A lot of the times I don't even unbox this myself until this video. So the reactions you get, my honest reactions. I look, I see, I go, wow. You know the drill. Anyway, yeah, if you can share this video on social media platforms like Facebook, Reddit, or Twitter, that will really help this little channel to grow. Share it on Facebook. Yeah, show your mates, you know, what sort of a tool I am. Yeah, I'm just some guy that gets sent stuff to do stuff with, and yeah, that's about all I am. So yeah. I'm going to stop dribbling now and let you go. So thank you for watching this, and we'll see you next time.